Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to another wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency to a hardware wallet for better security or just to another exchange, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling your digital assets like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Coinbase account set up and verified. You'll also need the receiving wallet ready. Double-check that you have its address copied correctly to avoid any mishaps. Security is key in the crypto world, so always verify details before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. You can do this via the mobile app or the website. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if it's Bitcoin, click on BTC. Step 2. Look for the Send or Transfer button. This is usually right next to the asset's details. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to send your crypto. Paste the address carefully. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so check the estimated fees beforehand to avoid surprises. Once you've confirmed the amount, you'll see a review screen. Step 4. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You might need to use two-factor authentication for added security, which is a great feature. After that, sit back and wait. Transfer times can range from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, you can verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for Ethereum-based assets. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, with evolving tech in 2025, keep your wallets updated for the best experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next video.